Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to discover Sweden's top 3 travel destinations. So, grab your backpacks and let's explore this Scandinavian gem. First up, we have Stockholm, the vibrant capital of Sweden. This city is spread across 14 islands, connected by 57 bridges. Stroll through Gamla Stan, the old town, where you'll find cobblestone streets, colourful buildings, and the majestic royal palace. Don't miss the Vasa Museum, home to a 17th century warship that sank on its maiden voyage and was salvaged 333 years later. Pro tip: take a boat tour to explore the archipelago and see Stockholm from a unique perspective. Next, let's head north to the picturesque village of Kiruna. This is your gateway to the Arctic wilderness and the stunning northern lights. Kiruna is famous for the Ice Hotel, a hotel completely made of ice and snow that gets rebuilt every winter. If you're an adventure seeker, try dog sledding or a snowmobile safari. Trust me, the pristine landscapes and the magical auroras will leave you awestruck. Last but not least, we have Gothenburg, Sweden's second largest city. Known for its Dutch-style canals and leafy boulevards, Gothenburg is a haven for foodies. Check out the Fiskekårka, a fish market hall where you can taste the freshest seafood. For a mix of nature and amusement, visit Liseberg, Scandinavia's largest amusement park, and take a leisurely stroll through the beautiful Gothenburg Botanical Garden. So there you have it, folks. Sweden's top 3 travel destinations that should definitely be on your bucket list. Whether you're into historic cities, Arctic adventures, or culinary delights, Sweden has something for everyone. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.